Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on video autoplay when you use mobile data and Wi-Fi on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click accessibility, display and languages, and now click data usage. Now here we'll find it, video autoplay, and click mobile data and Wi-Fi, and that's it. It will be turned on and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.